You know something? The PMT formula is awesome. You want to know something? The PMT. What is the PMT? It's just the EMI. Let's take an example. You're getting a loan, 25 lakhs. Okay. And when your bank, they are going to give you some discount, like just make a prepayment of 10 percentage. So 2.5 lakhs you paid out. So now you are going to take a loan of 22 lakh 50,000. Okay. The second things comes out, how much rate of interest. Yeah, currently basically if you have all the financial statements, you are going to get the interest in 7.6 to 8.4. So we can have 8. Okay, then a period of how much years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, based upon the payment, based upon the time, you're going to have a period. So that is, we can just have a 5 years. Now you come with the formula, that is PMT is equal to rate divided by 12, that is the rate for the period of 12 months. NPR, that is the period, that is 5 years into 12, and PV, the present value, what's the value of loan you are going to take, that is 22 lakh 50,000. The minus sign is because just to make it positive. You get 45,621 rupees 0.89 paise every month you're going to pay EMI. That for a period of 60, that is 5 years, you're going to pay 27 lakhs. That is totally you're going to pay interest of 4,87,313.23 for the 5 years to cover this loan. So this EMI formula helps you to calculate what you are going to invest, how much you are going to invest, and what is the return you are going to take. All the things, the valuation, everything you are going to use with this lease formula. That is the EMI formula. So thank you.